lerp in Unity is useful for many things. You can fade a panel, color a background, move a sprite and much more. But, what it is lerp? Well, also called linear interpolation, is a mathematical function used to return a value at a point between two others on a linear scale. In this example, we will use lerp in a coroutine to translate a square sprite from a point to another in a specific period of time. The first thing we'll do in Unity is to create a sprite, RMB on the hierarchy 2D object sprites square. Then we'll create two empty objects and rename it start POS and finish POS. After that, in the assets RMB create C# script. I called it lerp example. Open the script and dive into typing. Once you've done, save it and go back to Unity. With the sprite selected, drag the script on the Inspector tab. You'll notice 3 empty boxes. Those are the variables we set in the script. Drag our empty objects onto those boxes, ex start POS box, and set the lerp duration to a number of seconds you prefer. Now at last let's move the start POS and finish POS game objects to a different random position, and we've finished. It remains only to test the script pressing play. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.